Hello students, now today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 19, and the name of the chapter is pollution of air and water. As about the pollution, you have been studied in the lower classes also that what is pollution. Now in this chapter we'll be discussing about that how air and water pollution is caused, what are the effects of air pollution and water pollution on plants and animals, and how we can prevent these air and water pollution. Now as we know that we are aware that our environment जो है वो हमारा क्या है, that is getting polluted. Now the media जो है वो भी हमें regularly report कर रही है on the falling quality of the environment. ठीक है, that is the air and water pollution that is causing the harmful effects in the environment. The earth is at the right distance from the sun, therefore has the right temperature range of life to exist. ठीक है, अब क्या है, अगर सन के साथ अर्थ का डिस्टेंस जो है वो कम होता जाएगा तो देयर विल बी नॉट बी एबल टू life will not be able to exist on earth because it will be so much of warm. All the materials required by living beings such as air, water, soil, they are available on earth. Now in this chapter we'll be studying about the changes that are taking place in our surrounding and what are the changes that are taking place, what are the effects on our lives. So first is air. अब as you know that plants needs carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, but living beings जो हैं they need air for their survival. Oxygen is needed for respiration and burning. So air जो है that is the most essential natural resource and it is a mixture of nitrogen 78% and oxygen present in atmosphere is 21%. A little amount of carbon dioxide that is 0.03%, which is very important for green plants because green plants जो हैं they need carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. In spite of these three gases, air also contains some of the dust and water vapors. Now next topic based on this chapter is air pollution. Now we can survive for some time without food, but we cannot survive even for a few minutes without the oxygen or without the air. You can see there are some different kinds of air pollution caused by different contents. Factories से pollution आ रहा है, then from vehicles smoke is coming, the household activities. Now but in the present time में जो air है वो pure नहीं है, ठीक है, that was in the past, it is polluted. So air is said to be polluted if it contains those substances that are harmful to human beings, plants and animals. Such harmful substances are known as pollutants. ठीक है, अब हमें पता है कि हम खाने के बिना we can live for food for a one day, but we cannot live for without oxygen or without air for a minute or for a second you can say. So but लेकिन अब जो है the air जो है nowadays is not pure, it is polluted. And the polluted air कौन सी होगी, that contains those substances that are harmful for human beings, plants and animals. So that harmful substances which pollute the air are known as pollutants. Now what are the causes of air pollution? Air pollution mainly caused by burning of fossil fuels in power plants. Factories में fossil fuels burn कर रहे हैं. Industries and vehicles are also burning of wood during household activities, dung cakes in rural areas. These release of carbon gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and many other harmful chemicals. These all harmful chemicals जो हैं वो क्या कॉज करते हैं, दीज कॉजेज द एयर पॉल्यूशन. नाउ व्हाट आर SPM, दैट इज सस्पेंडेड पर्टिकुलेट मैटर. सस्पेंडेड पर्टिकुलेट मैटर का क्या मतलब है? दीज आर वेरी फाइन सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स विच आर सस्पेंडेड इन एयर. ठीक है, तो सस्पेंडेड पर्टिकुलेट मैटर कौन से होंगे? दीज आर स्मॉल वेरी फाइन सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स विच आर सस्पेंडेड इन एयर, मीन्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन एयर. अनबर्न्ड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स, दे गेट रिलीज ड्यूरिंग द बर्निंग ऑफ फ्यूल्स. ठीक है, जितने भी अनबर्न्ड कार्बन, जब भी हम कोई भी हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटी करते हैं या कोई भी एक्टिविटी है जिसके कारण स्मोक प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, इट प्रोड्यूसेस अनबर्न्ड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स विच रिलीजेस ड्यूरिंग दी बर्निंग ऑफ फ्यूल्स और फ्रॉम एग्जॉस्ट व्हीकल्स. ठीक है, सीमेंट फैक्ट्रीज से निकलते हैं, आर दी एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सस्पेंडेड पर्टिकुलेट मैटर. दीज पार्टिकल जो हैं दे आर सो माइन्यूट दैट दे कैन नॉट बी फिल्टर्ड बाय हेयर इन आर नोज, हैंस कॉजेज मेजर लंग डिजीजेस. सो मोस्टली जो है फैक्ट्रीज में जो पर्सन्स काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दीज डिजीजेस. These can also settle on plants and clog stomatal pores, thus interfere with the process of photosynthesis and transpiration. So you can see that how suspended particulate matter, they are harmful to human beings, animals, and as well as in plants. Now lead. Lead is a compound that is added to petrol in order to prevent engines from knocking. ठीक है, इंजन्स को नॉकिंग से प्रिवेंट करने के लिए लेड डाला जाता है पेट्रोल में. द लेड कंपाउंड्स दैट आर एमिटेड बाय द एग्जॉस्ट ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल्स, दे आर एब्जॉर्ब बाय आवर बॉडीज एंड दीज मेनली कॉजेज सम ऑफ द हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो कॉज सम मेंटल डिसऑर्डर एंड ब्रेन डैमेज. नेक्स्ट इज स्मोक. Now the word smoke is formed from the combination of two, that is smoke and fog. Now smoke, it containing oxides of nitrogen which combines with other pollutants and fog to form smoke. The main cause जो है वो smoke formation का है, that is the burning of fossil fuels in excess. It causes breathing difficulties, asthma, cough, wheezing in children. These are the harmful effects of the smog. Next is your carbon monoxide. It is the most dangerous pollutant because of its poisonous nature. ठीक है, when it mixes with the blood, it prevents the carrying of oxygen. Since it is colorless and odorless, so it is difficult to detect its presence in the air. And if carbon monoxide is produced, और किससे produce होती है? Same from the burning of fossil fuels. ठीक है, when it is not burned, when fuel is not burned completely, especially in automobiles. Next, अगर हम ज़्यादा इनहेल कर लेते हैं कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड के, it can lead to death also of a person. Next is carbon dioxide. अब carbon dioxide, that is a very common gas that you have known about. Carbon dioxide is continuously being released because of human activities. एरिया अंडर फॉरेस्ट इज़ डिक्रीजिंग. डिफॉरेस्टेशन के कारण भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कंटेंट जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. प्लांट जो हैं वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस, डिक्रीज़ करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को इन द एयर बाय टेकिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. बट डिफॉरेस्टेशन इट कैन लीड टू इंक्रीज इन अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो क्या ट्रैप्स करते हैं हीट को एंड डज नॉट अलाउ टू एस्केप इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, जिसके कारण जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर है जो अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर का वो क्या होता जा रहा है? इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है, एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. साइंटिस्ट ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट द एवरेज ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर में राइज अप एज मच एज 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस बाय द ईयर 2100. मतलब हर साल जो है वो 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक जो है 2100 तक 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस जो है अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बढ़ जाएगा, which may cause large scale melting of glaciers. ठीक है, expansion of ocean water, flooding coastal areas. It is also expected to cause climate changes भी हो सकते हैं, affecting rain patterns, agriculture, forests, plants, animals and many other changes that may be caused due to increase the level of carbon dioxide. Now this is a greenhouse that is mainly built for growing plants in cold climate conditions. The temperature inside a greenhouse is higher than the temperature outside because solar energy absorbed by the interior of the greenhouse is re-emitted into the greenhouse, thus keeping it hot. मतलब जो सन की रेज हैं वो ग्रीन हाउस से अंदर तो आ सकती हैं बट इट कैन नॉट मूव आउटसाइड. ठीक है, इट इज़ री एमिटेड इनटू द ग्रीन हाउस सो दैट द plants may get warmness and they may be able to grow. Now gases like methane, nitrous oxide and water vapors, they also contribute towards the greenhouse effect, hence they are known as greenhouse gases. So in spite of carbon dioxide, there are methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor which are known as greenhouse gases. Now this figure shows that how greenhouse effect is responsible for global warming. You can see, first sunlight penetrates the atmosphere and warms the earth atmosphere. Then the earth's surface radiates the heat to the atmosphere, some of which escapes into space, and some greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, they are absorbed some of the heat and sent it to the earth. Now when the concentration of greenhouse gases जब increase कर जाती हैं which are not required, they are trapped near the earth's surface and which results in the rise in earth's surface temperature which may lead to the global warming. Global warming that has become a major concern for government worldwide. Many countries, they have reached an agreement to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol is one such agreement. So you have to learn the name of the protocol which have been started by to prevent the global warming, that is Kyoto Protocol.